Hey crafty friends, I am on a journal kick, and I'm not going to call it a junk journal because I'm sorry, there's a little bit of hot glue. It's not full of all kinds of stuff. It's all from this fantastic Graphic 45 Imagine collection, and I used an 8x8 pad, a sticker sheet, and a chipboard, and I have a little bit left, enough to make a couple of cards. So just gorgeous papers. I started out thinking I wasn't going to cover any of this image up in the background. Get it? Image, imagine. Okay. Anyway, but I kind of had fun starting to play with it and add things to it and just really embellish it up. So you saw a really good shot of the cover in the preview video, so I'm not going to go over everything except to tell you these plastic pieces right here, and these two, and then these are, and all of these, and these are on the back. I got in the button department at Joann's, so check that out. But you can get this paper line and so much more at ASC Supplies on Etsy. I will link the store and all the social media in the description box down below. You've got to check it out. Super fast shipping and free shipping over a certain amount. Really, really great. There's giveaways there. Check it out. So click the link in the description box. Let's go inside here. Seam binding closure, and then we open up, and we've got this pull here, remember, and usually when I open it, it wants to come straight down like that, so I just hold it. And as always, this project is going to be for sale, so you can email me from the description box down below as well. So here I have a metal piece, and I made a little belly band there. All these cool cut aparts and stickers are all from the collection. There's a place where you could tuck something underneath here, and all my papers are coffee dyed, so it smells nice in this journal as well. And this page, and so the adventure begins. I'm not going to tell you laces and trims. You can see laces and trims, right? So this opens like that, and then there's also a tuck spot underneath here. Some stamped lines, clock stamp, and then there's a birdcage charm with a bulb pin. This is a tuck spot over here. Added some flowers. Then this page has this just little kind of like little secret place you can write, and then it opens like that. And we've got this little flap, and this is a tuck spot here. I love the coffee dyed paper so much. Such gorgeous, gorgeous papers. Graphic 45 knocks it out of the park. Imagination, another bulb pin. This has buttons on it. Little tuck spot here. This is a belly band, tuck spot here. This is a tuck spot back here, place to journal. And then this side opens like that. Lines for journaling, pull out. This journal is small. It's I think it's, let's figure it out. Okay, so 5.5 by 8.5. Tuck spot here. This is the center. This is where I sewed the signature. Tuck spot here. And we've got another bulb pin. This has got a grandfather clock on it. Let's go chipboard piece that folds out. There's a tuck spot behind. Little journal spot there. Bulb pin with a heart lock. Oh, okay. On this side, we've got a tuck spot here, and we've got this large journaling booklet. Sorry, I got a text message and it distracted me. We've got lines to journal there. Okay, nothing happens unless we first dream. First we dream. Let me turn it. On this page we have a glassine bag, and I think I only had one glassine bag in my stash. So that tucks in there, says Beautiful Dreamer. This opens like this, and then it's also a tuck spot back there. There's a bulb pin and another button charm. This has got a tuck spot and this little journaling spot. Love the balloons, so pretty. You've got another charm here with some gears. Little journaling spot. And then this opens up. This is a tuck spot on the top. I never do that at the top, but I had this piece that would have been upside down if I turned it around, so I was like, I'm gonna give it a try, and it works. I always thought it would slip out, but it doesn't. This is an old-fashioned fan. And then this opens like that. And then this is the back. So there you go. That is my gorgeous Graphic 45 Imagine journal. And I probably should have made two like I did with the Stamperia. Because as I said before, what happens with these, if I just do one signature, is it gets kind of chunky. So if you like the chunky monkeys, you will like this one. So this is available for sale. I prefer to sell it on here on my video. If I don't, then I will list it on Etsy. But I would like to get $50 shipped for this journal. So let me know. Thanks for watching. Happy Scrappy Day, guys. And be sure to check out ASC Supplies. I wouldn't steer you wrong. Check them out. Great deals. Bye.